Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous topic we have discussed about the properties of hydrates of group 15 elements, and now in this topic we are going to talk about that is why that is pentahalides are more covalent compared to that of trihalides. So this is the topic that I am going to talk about, so now let us understand this one. So friends, as we understand that is for group 15 elements, the general electronic configuration that is for the outermost shell is nothing but it is NS2 NP3. But so as to lose 3 electrons is very much difficult, and that's the reason that only by losing 3 electrons it will acquire an oxidation state of +3, and by losing all the 5 electrons it will acquire an oxidation state of +5. But losing 3 electrons, that means to have an oxidation state of +3 is difficult. So losing all the 5 electrons, in fact it is more even difficult. So that's the reason that whenever a particular atom has a basically +3 oxidation state, so it has a capacity to lose electron. But suppose if I am talking about a particular element which has an oxidation state of +5, so therefore there is no capacity of the atom to lose the electrons, and that's the reason that losing the electron, it will give the ionic nature to that particular molecule or to that particular atom. But since the atom which will have +5 oxidation state, it will have no electrons so as to lose it. And therefore, the atoms which are basically of having +5 oxidation state, they are very much stable, and that's the reason they have capacity to share electrons. And this sharing of electron results in the formation of a covalent bond. While talking about this +3, they have the tendency to lose electrons, and that's the reason they have a tendency to form ionic compounds. So in short, I'm saying that suppose if I'm talking about an example, suppose PCl3 and PCl5. This is a trihalide while this is pentahalide. So it has been found that is PCl5 is having more covalent nature compared to that of PCl3, which is having an ionic nature. So that results conclusion that is trihalides are less covalent compared to that of pentahalides. So this was the reason behind this, and that's it. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope I will see you next time. Till then, don't forget to subscribe, Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.